Once upon a time, in the bustling city of New York, lived a young girl named Kamala. She was an ordinary student with an extraordinary secret. In her room, hidden behind a wardrobe, was a special bracelet that gave her amazing powers. It belonged to Ms. Marvel. One day, Kamala decided to try on the bracelet during school. As soon as she activated it, she felt a surge of energy. Her body began to glow, and she grew taller, stronger, and faster. She was Ms. Marvel. With her new powers, Kamala quickly ran home, excited to explore. She could leap tall buildings, lift heavy objects, and even stretch her arms to incredible lengths. She felt invincible. But as she was playing, she heard a cry for help. A group of bad guys were causing chaos in the city. Kamala knew she had to help. With a determination in her heart, she leaped into action. She swooped down to the scene, using her powers to stop the bad guys. They were no match for Ms. Marvel. With a swift punch and a stretchy swing, she saved the day. The city was safe once more. As she returned home, Kamala felt a sense of accomplishment. She knew she had a responsibility to use her powers for good. From that day on, she vowed to protect the city and help those in need. And so, whenever trouble came to New York, people knew they could count on Ms. Marvel. She was their superhero, their protector, their friend. And Kamala, the ordinary girl from Queens, was proud to be Ms. Marvel. The end.